Hi guys, so this is today's look and I've done this using all the drugstore products that I could find in my vanity. So if you want to learn कि मैंने कैसे किया है, keep watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. This helps my channel grow and it means a lot. तो please सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो, शेयर करो. और आज मैंने फ़ोन पे शूट करा है. इट्स बीन टोटल बिजार क्योंकि कभी कुछ हो रहा था. कभी मेमोरी नहीं है, कभी बैटरी नहीं है, कभी लाइट नहीं है. बट फाइनली आई कुड डू इट. मैंने ड्रग स्टोर प्रोडक्ट्स इसीलिए यूज़ करे ताकि आपके पास अवेलेबल हो और आप ये लोग करना चाहो. सो स्टार्टिंग ऑफ विद द मॉइस्चराइजर and I'll just quickly tie my hair first. I cannot bear that my hair coming on. While doing makeup, especially going with embroidery. See? There was some issue with my camera, तो मैं आज फोन पे फिल्म कर रही हूँ, तो लाइटिंग थोड़ी सी डिफरेंट है, but I think I like it. I'll be using all the drugstore products क्योंकि ये एक soft glam look है, and I want कि जो भी ये देखे should be able to achieve it easily. Moisturizer के बाद I'm going in with primer. This is from Nykaa. According to me, this is one of the best drugstore primers. I'm taking LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade medium beige, only covering up the under eye with this. Now taking my foundation that is also from Nykaa. It's Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. It's quite matte. The base is done. I'll set it with Makeup Revolution's Luxury Baking Powder. It's in the shade Banana. If you want to go for loose powders, you can try this one. इसमें दो variants आते हैं. मैं आपको link नीचे दूंगी. Get that one. Don't get the other one. दूसरा वाला थोड़ा ज़्यादा white है. I got that earlier when I didn't know. और मैं भूत बन गई थी. वो इतना white है. I'm only setting my under eye क्योंकि वहाँ lines बन जाते हैं और मैं सिर्फ अपना T-zone set करूँगी. After the powder, I will quickly move on to blush and मैं Makeup Revolution का blush palette use कर रही हूँ and it looks something like this. It's called Sugar and Spice. Pinky tones है इसमें, बहुत neutral और natural pinky tones हैं. Blend your blush always nicely. Just to give some more dimension, I'm going to contour. This is my Sleek Makeup. इसका substitute मैं नीचे डाल दूँगी because this is not available in India right now, but this is a drugstore product. थोड़ी सी double chin को भी छुपा लो. After the contour, I'll be going with Maybelline's Master Chrome. This is in the shade Molten Gold. I don't like using very fluffy brushes for highlighting my face, तो मैं उसकी जगह एक blending brush use करती हूँ mostly. I go with the eye blending brush जो होता है उससे. Similarly, I'll take it on the tip of my nose and just here on the bridge. I'll take it on my eyebrow highlight area. Whatever is left, I'll take it on my Cupid's bow. Although my Cupid's bow जल्दी highlight नहीं करती हूँ because I feel on my face it feels like मुझे sweating हो रहा है. If I highlight my Cupid's bow तो मैं नहीं करती हूँ जल्दी. Okay, now moving on to the eyes. For the eyes, I'll be using two palettes. Both are from Makeup Revolution. One of which is half broken, but it's okay. I love it. This is palette number 1 from Makeup Revolution and it is called Reloaded Neutrals 2. Makeup Revolution के जो palettes हैं बहुत ही affordable है and the pigmentation is really good. So I think every beginner should have it. And this is the other palette. It's called Reloaded Visionary. Okay, तो मैं पहले ये वाला palette use करने वाली हूँ. These two shades. एक shade तो मैं कभी ले नहीं सकती हूँ. I like mixing the eyeshadow shades also. For the transition shade, we'll be doing this on the crease line. How pretty is this shade? I will tag some more Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palettes that are really fine for Indian skin tones. So if you don't get your hands on these, you can also try those. I'll be taking this shade. This is a very light brown shade. I'll just go right below this crease line that I've just created. मैं इसके लिए दूसरा ब्रश लेती हूँ because और जब भी आप अपने आई शेडोज या अपना कोई भी टाइप का मेकअप ब्लेंड कर रहे हो, एक्चुअली नॉट जस्ट आई शेडोज, ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि आपका जो हैंड का प्रेशर है वो बहुत हल्का हो. ऑलराइट, तो उसके बाद आफ्टर आई हैव ब्लेंडेड माय ट्रांजिशन शेड्स टुगेदर, आई विल बी taking the other palette and I'll use this pink shade. This is a shimmer shade. I'll be using it with my fingers. How beautiful is that? If we apply the shimmers and the pigments with our fingers, तो उनका effect enhance हो जाता है. I'll do the same on the other eyelid. I'll be taking this shade right here. This is also a shimmer shade. I'll mix it with this one. Take the first blending brush that you used and blend the shimmer with the transition shade with very light hands. अगर आपको इसके अलावा नीड नहीं लग रही है to add one more color, you can skip this step, but I will be going in with this very dark purple shade. This one, I'm taking it on my crown brush. This is C528. I'll be taking this color and targeting it specifically only on the socket, outer socket area, just to create that depth very lightly. Again, take your first blending brush and blend this all together. I will be taking my angular eyebrow brush, taking this very dark purple shade. With this I'll be going in very close to my lash line. मैंने लाइनर लगाया एक आई शेडो से and I've used this and this. So I've mixed these two shades. अपना लाइनर वाला area I'll just tight line it. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपको थोड़ा सा ब्लैक और ऐड करना है ऊपर, तो जो आपने लाइनर लगाया सिर्फ उसके बिल्कुल पास आप अपना जेल लाइनर ऐड कर सकते हो. I just have to put the mascara. Before that, I'll go in with my color bars, dark brown pencil. This is in the shade Cocoa Bar. वैसे I like putting kajal वैसे, but today I think I want to go with a brown shade in the eyes, in the waterline. Because this is soft glam. On a shader brush, I'll be taking this red dark brown shade and smudging it under my eye. Lastly, I'll be taking the dark purple shade with which we put the eyeliner. This is the one. Take a clean blending brush. If you don't have it, you can use the first blending brush that we've used and blend everything. Curl the lashes safely. After that, I will be going in with my mascara that's from Maybelline. It's called Hyper Curl. I've used this shade from Maybelline. It's called Versatile 210. It's from the Superstay Matte Ink range and I love this. You have a closer look. सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर और कमेंट्स में मुझे जरूर बताना कि आपको ये लुक कैसा लगा. And I hope you guys like it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you for watching.